this on this side and this right there. That should be more like it. Oh, your boy legs is on fire, my boy, on fire. So let's find another screw for that. I would say this could possibly be it. Let's check this out and see. Nah, I think it might have been that screw that I was dealing with the first time. Where did I put it? I'm looking for that screw that I had that I just set it somewhere. Oh, it's right here. And when I said that was wrong, not really for sure if it was wrong at this point. Let's put that 10mm socket back on there. Try to tighten it up. Like it's going through. But by the look of things, I don't think it is. Really for sure what's the problem, but let's hook these back up, a couple of them.